Hope you're doing well, and we meet again for another sentence type. We've done a couple of sentences and let's rush into the next type of sentence. Today we'll deal with adding information. The phrases you can use to add information that would make your sentence more interesting. Adding information, or let's say adding points. We do that all the time in the body paragraph. You've written a point in a body paragraph, you've explained it fully, and now you need to write another point. What do you usually put to start your sentence? You mark it with words like moreover, furthermore, in addition. There's another way to add information. We can use phrases like besides this, in addition to this, as well as this. What does this mean? This refers to the previous point. Besides the previous point that I mentioned, that's what it means. Now we can also remove this and add a concise version of the previous point there. That will make it an interesting sentence structure. For example, pause the video and read the first point. Think of how you would summarize it and what you would replace this with. So here the summary that has been taken up is, besides providing high salaries to players. Now, writing these sentences is not as easy as it appears. When you substitute this with a phrase that summarizes the previous point, you have to be grammatically accurate. Now, there is a way you can ensure accuracy in this type of sentences. You have to know what is the subject. The subject you notice here is the sports authorities. The sports authorities not only provide high salaries to players, they can also bring the sports to a wider audience. So you notice that sports authorities is the subject for both these points. Now, apart from these, apart from the phrases that I just mentioned, we can also summarize points by using not only but also. Pause the video and check out these examples. You would notice that it's easier to understand the subject in a not only but also sentence because it's a parallel sentence. And from that, you can draw these other sentences. So that is the tip to write these sentences accurately. Take these examples. First, it would be preferable to think of the two aspects in a not only but also sentence. Pause the video and read these examples. I hope you realize that if you do this accurately, you enhance your writing, because just writing moreover in a simple sentence would not be as impressive as getting these sentence types correctly. A benefit that you can have of learning these phrases and learning these sentence types is that it's really flexible. It's not just used to add another point, but it can be used in other places as well. It can be used in the end of a paragraph to summarize the 2 points that you've mentioned. It can be used in the conclusion to highlight the 2 key points as a summary. Learning these phrases will not only enhance your writing, it will give you the tools to add more information in your speaking as well. As you might know, moreover, furthermore are rather formal and they are preferred in writing. So you can use them in your speaking and it will help you to make your speaking more interesting. Hoping to see you soon with another sentence type. Enjoy IELTS writing, and I'll see you soon.